This video contains coarse language and content that may be confronting.
Set to detonate at exactly 3:30 p.m. Thousands of pages leaving behind destruction and even death. At Beirut's American hospital, ambulances were banked up as paramedics brought in the wounded. Inside, the scene was even more chaotic.
We pray for the swift recovery of the injured, and may God protect them. Hezbollah will certainly not remain silent in the face of this crime.
On Hezbollah's TV station, the militants vowed revenge on Israel. Leaders gathering to mourn the dead after what they admit was a large or even catastrophic attack on the movement.
We see that there must be a response that is at the level of this crime.
Lebanese security sources say the Israeli spy agency Mossad hid explosives inside these rugged pages. The pages, labelled Gold Apollo, were bought by Hezbollah, which apparently considered them more secure than mobile phones. But the Taiwanese company denies it made the devices.
None of the components in that product belong to us. Nothing was exported by us.
Israel isn't commenting on the explosions, but the army did meet to discuss its military readiness.
It's unbelievable, really. This is a remarkable achievement if it was Israel.
For nearly a year, Israel and Hezbollah have been engaged in an escalating game of tit for tat, each attempting to damage the other's military capacity via cross-border skirmishes. But this sophisticated attack on Hezbollah's means of communication could catapult the region to a dangerous new footing. Alison Horn, ABC News, Jerusalem.